The past year and a half has been rough on everybody, but for education, we've seen the gaps grow in reading for the children.
Obviously, as our kids were coming back to us, a lot of learning gaps, a lot of needs.
We're hoping with this new program that we're working with that is going to fill in some of those phonics gaps, because that's where we feel that the students are lacking the most. So Foundations and Just Words are both very multisensory and very consistent throughout their levels. It is a phonics-based systematic program that is helping our students to learn about the letters, the letter sounds, and word patterns. And that systematic approach is what's being successful for our students.
Literacy had been kind of a collection of things. It hadn't been this truly defined system and approach to how it was going to go. This program, as we initiated it and started it in our buildings, has been very intentional.
At the pre-K level, Foundations allows us to introduce the letter to the children. They see the visual representation of the letter. We connect it to the sound that it makes. We try to put materials in the children's hands to actually build the letters or to do some sort of association so that they can connect it as a meaningful experience.
Foundations is helpful in the sense of it's giving them that phonics foundation, which so many of them were in the middle of building or never fully built before COVID and everything hit. So for my students anyways, it's definitely needed. Yeah, it's kind of helping close in some of that learning loss.
It allows an opportunity every day. So as the teachers are teaching Foundations, they can see exactly what their students are doing right there and then and there. They can pull their small groups, and if they need remediation, they can do that.
Just Words seems to be the culmination for 5th grade for the Foundations program. And so I'm really excited for the years ahead as I get 4th graders and 3rd graders who've had this program for a year or two. They're going to settle in with this and be comfortable with it. And I think that's part of one of the cornerstones of learning is you're comfortable with what you're doing, especially as a student. And also for teachers. As teachers use this year after year, they'll learn that what to expect from students and how to adapt it.
We are seeing children being very excited about letters. When they spot them in the hallway or on a door or a sign, they're very quick to often connect those letters to what we've learned in the classroom.
I don't think I've ever seen kids as excited about a program. It's just such a good foundation. I can't wait to see what the upper grades look like in a year or so.
The students are engaged, the students like the structure of the program. The teachers have really embraced it and have enjoyed it.
I love the fact that this program, coming from 3rd and 4th on into 5th grade, will enable students to take steps, even if they are behind, to come up to the same level as their peers.
Looking at some of our data from first quarter, some kids have grown a grade level, half a grade level already. And that's a testament to 2 things. 1, how hard the teachers are working, because they get all the credit for that. But 2, how hard the kids are working and how hard the parents are working to support the kids and how hard they're working. So it's been a collective effort, but at the same time, we are seeing some immediate benefits from the implementation of this.